Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
Get your clips ready. Duplicate your clip, then overlay it and slide it under the main clip. Click on the overlay, then remove background and custom removal. Brush an item you want to glow. Split the overlay when you want glow to start and split it again 0.4 seconds later, then delete the right part and the left part of overlay. Go Effects, then Glow. 2. Make the effect last under the overlay. Go Object, then select Overlay. Put Glow and Size on 100. Duplicate the effect once. Go on the overlay and add keyframe start a bit later and at the end. Go Splice on first keyframe and last keyframe and put intensity on 0. Duplicate the main clip again, then overlay it and slide it under. Go remove background, then custom removal, and brush another item. Do same process as previous overlay.